How to add your own ringtone on alarm on iPhone device. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded the custom sound you want to use. It can be a music clip, voice note, or any audio file saved to your device. Now you'll need to download this app GarageBand. Once you get this app, launch it. Swipe right to select audio recorder, then tap it. At the top, tap the playlist icon until a microphone appears. Next, tap the blue triangle icon until it turns white. This ensures the track is ready for editing. Tap the loop icon in the top right corner, go to File section and tap on Recents. Long press the downloaded sound and drag it to the timeline. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Tap on Section A, Turn off Automatic and set the length to 15 seconds. Tap Done. Tap the arrow in the top left corner and select My Songs. If your file is not showing in Recents, tap Browse to locate it. Now, long press your file, tap Sure, then select Ringtone. Name your tone and tap Export. Now that your sound is saved as a ringtone, open the clock app. Tap the plus icon to create a new alarm. Select Sound, scroll down and tap your newly added custom tone. Tap Save, and you are done. And that's how you add a custom alarm sound on your iPhone device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.